Imagine embarking on a cross-country road trip without a map. You might feel adventurous at first, but soon the lack of direction could lead to confusion and wrong turns. Writing a novel without a plot is similar. It's like driving without a destination in mind. A plot is the roadmap of your story. It provides structure and direction, guiding your characters through challenges and triumphs. Without it, your narrative might meander, leaving readers lost and dissatisfied. Don't let the fear of structure stifle your creativity. Think of plotting as a framework on which you can build your unique and captivating story. Whether you prefer detailed outlines or a looser approach, understanding the importance of plot is crucial for crafting a compelling narrative that keeps readers engaged until the very end. For centuries, storytellers have relied on certain narrative structures to craft compelling tales. These structures provide a tried and true framework, helping authors to organize their ideas and create satisfying narratives. One popular method is the three-act structure, which divides the story into three parts: setup, confrontation, and resolution. This structure helps build tension and release, keeping readers engaged throughout the story. Another widely used structure is the hero's journey, a narrative archetype that follows the protagonist's journey of transformation. This structure, with its stages of departure, initiation, and return, resonates deeply with readers, tapping into universal themes of growth and self-discovery. A more recent approach, focusing on creating a likable and relatable protagonist by highlighting their good deeds early in the story, is a structure called Save the Cat. This Save the Cat method helps readers connect with and invest in the character's journey. While these structures provide a solid foundation, remember that they are meant to be guidelines, not rigid rules. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt these structures to fit your unique vision and story. The age-old debate among writers: to plot or to pants? Plotting, or outlining your story in detail, provides a clear roadmap, ensuring that every scene serves a purpose and contributes to the overall narrative. This method is particularly helpful for writers who thrive on structure and organization, as it reduces the chances of writer's block and plot holes. However, some authors prefer to pants their novels, writing by the seat of their pants and discovering the story as they go. Pantsing allows for greater flexibility and spontaneity, often leading to unexpected twists and turns in the narrative. This approach is ideal for writers who enjoy the thrill of the unknown and trust their instincts to guide them. Ultimately, the best method is the one that works best for you. Experiment with different approaches, find your writing rhythm, and embrace the process that allows your creativity to flourish. Organizing the creative storm. Once you've chosen your plotting method, it's time to organize the creative storm brewing in your mind. Index cards and notebooks are classic tools for planning, offering a tangible and flexible way to visualize your story. Write down plot points, character sketches, or snippets of dialogue on separate cards. Then arrange and rearrange them until you're satisfied with the flow. Notebooks provide a dedicated space to brainstorm, outline, and track your progress. Whether you prefer a structured outline or a more free-flowing approach, notebooks allow you to capture your ideas and refer back to them easily. Digital tools for the modern storyteller. In today's digital age, a plethora of software programs cater specifically to the needs of writers. Scrivener, a popular choice among authors, provides a comprehensive platform for writing, organizing, and restructuring your novel. Its intuitive interface allows you to break down your story into manageable chunks, rearrange scenes with ease, and keep track of characters, settings, and research. Plotter is another excellent option, designed specifically for visual planners. This software helps you create detailed timelines, character arcs, and plot outlines, all within an interactive and visually appealing interface. Other programs, such as YWriter, Novelar, and Ulysses, offer unique features and cater to different writing styles. Explore these options and find the software that best suits your needs and preferences. Chart your course for storytelling success. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to plot a novel. The key is to find what works best for you and your creative process. Whether you prefer detailed outlines, visual aids, or a more intuitive approach, embrace the journey of bringing your story to life. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn along the way. The most important thing is to keep writing, keep exploring, and let your imagination soar. So, chart your course, set sail on your storytelling adventure, and watch as your unique and captivating novel takes shape. The world is waiting to be captivated by your story.